All right, so we have a Titan drill bit or driver set, 148 pieces. I'm going to show you every single one that comes with it for only $59. All right, we got this set here. I'm gonna start describing what comes with it. So here we have a Phillips 00. We have another 0, Phillips number 1, Phillips number 2, Phillips number 2, and another 2. Those are Prozzi. Phillips number 2, Phillips number 2 again. These are tri-wing bits, which is number 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got our spline 12-point bit. That is 8mm, 6mm, 5mm. We have our Pentalube Torx, which is 5-point, with Tamper Torx, T50, T45, T40, T30, T27, T25, T20, T50, and T10. Now we got a regular Phillips here, Phillips number 00 again, 0, 1, P2, P2, another P2, P3, Phillips number 3, Phillips number 4. We got spanner, wrenches, number 4, number 6, number 8, and number 10. We got slotted bits, like screwdriver, number 8, 7, 6.5, number 6, 5.5, number 5, 4.5, number 4, 3.5, 3, 2.5, and 2. Now we got hex, 6-sided, 1.5, 2mm, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we got a regular traditional Torx, which is 6-point with tamper or security in the middle. T35, T30, 27, 25, 20, 15, 10, T9, T8, T7, T6, and T5. We got tampered Torx T40, T45, another hex here, and 116, 6-sided. 564, 332nd, 764. Barely read this. I think 18, 964, 332nd, 316, 732nd. We have 6-sided hex bit again in tamper. 532, 964, 18, 764, 332, 564. 6mm, 5mm 4, 3, 2.5, and 2. Got a tiny Torx here, T6, T6 again, T7, T8, T9, Torx number 10, T15, T20, T25, no hole, no security, T30, T40. We got a square adapter for sockets. We got quick release extension. We got clutch here, number 3, 2, and 1. We got offset Phillips here, number 10, 8, and 6. We got square drive number 3, 2, and 1. Another extension, plus this R1 here. Another big Torx that is T45. And comes in 2 inches Phillips, 2 inches Torx, 3 inches square, and 3 inches Phillips. Okay, that's it. It's good, right?